Good morning. Today, for class 9th statistics chapter, we'll discuss statistics is nothing but collection of data. That is, what is meant by data? The set of information in the form of numerical figures. Set of information. Just an example. Suppose your father bought a basket of fruits. Consists of some apples, oranges, some bananas. You think of. Now, you are separating apples and you are separating oranges and you are separating bananas. You are listing out apples, okay, 12 are there, bananas, 10 are there, oranges, 20 are there. Like that you are counting. So, that is called the data. Converting the information into numerical figures. So, basically data is divided into two parts. The first part is primary data. What is meant by primary data? When an investigator collects the data himself with a definite plan. Suppose you have some notebooks in our cupboard. Okay, like single rule books, double rule books, 4 rule books, broad rule books, unruled books. Total many books are there in our cupboard. You are counting. You are counting on your own. You found that 10 white pages books are there, 20 single rule pages books are there, 30 some double rule books are there. Like that you found that data. Or else, better an example, in your wall cupboard, okay, you are finding that how many white color shirts are there, how many red color shirts are there, how many yellow color shirts are there. You are counting. You involved in that and you are counting and you found out the data. That is called primary data. What about the secondary data? The data which are collected by one investigator and used by other for his study. Suppose recently, okay, corona cases are there. Suppose today, okay, as on today, in America there are 2 lakhs cases are there. In Italy, nearly 1 lakh cases are there. In Sweden, some cases are there. Like that you are counting. Are you personally went there and you checked? No. This is not your personal investigation. So it is not the primary data. Some media is counting there and they are telling you are using that. Okay. So that is called the secondary data. After data, what you will do? Presentation of the data. That is raw data or ungrouped data. How you will present? Like serial order, ascending order, descending order. Let me give an example. That is, okay, your class teacher is measuring your heights. Okay, she can do a serial order, like attendance register wise. Roll number 1, what is your height? Roll number 2, what is your height? Roll number 3, like that, she can count all the heights of your class consists of 30 students. Suppose ascending order, after counting the details, she can keep either in ascending order or descending order. Because the total data is depend upon the numerical figures. The data depends on the numerical figures. So presentation of the data either in serial order, ascending order or descending order. After placing that is called frequency. The number of times an observation occurs is called number of times. Okay. It can be divided into the types of frequency distribution divided into 2 types. One is inclusive form and the other one is exclusive form. What is meant by inclusive form? That is discontinuous form. Suppose one class is taken like 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14. See, there is no continuation between the classes. Like 0 to 9. Next class is 10, it is started. 10 to 19. Next class is started at 20. So, there is no continuation. This is called inclusive form. Okay, this is called inclusive class. Then, here it is a very important note that you consider upper boundary or upper limit. 4, you should consider it. 9, you should consider it. The other one is exclusive form. That is called continuous form. That is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. There is first class upper limit is equal to the second class lower limit. Here also you can say 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So first class upper limit is equal to second class lower limit. Okay, so if there is continuous is there, so when this case, then this is very important point, that is, do not consider the upper boundary. Upper boundary in the sense like 10, 20, 30, you should not consider their upper boundary. You should come to the lower boundary. Okay, let me solve some examples to more clear about inclusive class and exclusive class.